Hey everybody, so I wanted to show you how I make Shakeology and how I make it taste the best. So first, I use a Ninja. It's my favorite. I've had like the Oster brand, and I just don't like it as much. So first, you get ice. We have like massive ice cubes. Like they're like big ice cubes. But I would say like a cup, and I know like I used to make it with like a bunch of ice, and if you want a bigger shake, you can definitely use more ice, but I just prefer like just enough. So hold on a second, I'm gonna get a frozen banana out. So that's another life hack that I have, is that I use I get fresh bananas, and then when they start to go bad, not go bad, but you know what I mean, get ripe, I don't know if that's the right word. Sorry, I'm trying to see how bad this view is. We just peel them and I break them in half. I only use half of banana. If you're using frozen fruit, that doesn't nearly look like enough. Here's a little extra. If you're using frozen fruit, I use a little bit less ice. It just seems to, it makes still a big enough shake. So I'm gonna put this back, and then I personally, again, things that I do personally that I think make it taste the best, is I use almond milk. I do not have any kind of dairy allergy, dairy preference, something like that, but almond milk just seems to be the best. I've also used chocolate cashew milk, and that is delicious. Like, so good. So normally I should have done this other way. I normally fill up my milk to the 8 ounces, and then I put my frozen stuff in. That way I know I'm not adding a ton of milk when I don't need to, because so often like you fill up all, you know, your container with a bunch of stuff, and then you just pour milk over it, and you have no idea how much milk you're actually adding. So that's the way that I keep track of how much milk. And I use unsweetened almond milk. It has 30 calories per 1 cup. So 30 calories and the 8 ounces. So then, sorry, that's a super close view. So I have in here banana, ice, milk. I love vanilla and chocolate. I mean, not together, but those are my 2 favorite flavors. I've heard great things about, I mean, I've tried the cafe latte, but if you like cold brew coffee, I've heard the cafe latte is really good with cold brew. So I just put a scoop of vanilla in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do peanut butter. Well, no, I'll use caramel. So I love caramel extract. Like, this is how ours come in Oklahoma. But I know like other, like you might not have this brand, but there is caramel. It's also maple. I bet maple would be really good with vanilla. Personal preference. So at this point, you could also use peanut butter. Peanut butter and banana is amazing with like all the flavors. And I just do like a little, I don't know if you saw, a little dribble. I don't measure. I don't have time to clean up all the things that it takes to measure. So there's that. And then you just put your lid on and you blend. When it comes to peanut butter, I just do a spoonful. I am going to use today something called Focused Energy Boost. It's basically like having a cup of coffee in your shake as far as energy goes. But instead of having that caffeine crash later in the day, I will actually just have long-term sustained energy. So if maybe you got Energize, and Energize is meant for your pre-workout, where this is like long-term, all day, everything. So if you have any questions about anything, they also have a Power Greens boost and a digestive health boost for your digestive system. But that's it. So if you have any questions about how to make yours taste better, what flavor you got, anything like that, just let us know and we'd be happy to help. We'll be sharing lots more recipes throughout the time, and just let us know if you have any questions. Can't wait. Bye, guys.